Let's take a look at this evidence education experience connections. And I'm going to use legacy as the primary example. So, from an evidence point of view, you're going to gather, curate all the collateral. So, memories, photographs, CVs, books you may have written, books you may have started, travel blogs, anything that you have used to note and collect evidence of your life, living your life. And with that, you're going to draw from it to dream and design your legacy project and connected stories and contributions. Now, there's 12 evidence sources, and I provide a prompt book that you can use to document, to bring things to the foreground. The education is about reviewing and selecting the primary and secondary education approaches you'll use to develop and deliver your legacy contributions and stories. There are 12 education approaches, of which I suggest mentoring is your primary, followed by an appropriate approach linked with your project. But if you start with mentoring, what you've got is one of the easier, more natural education approaches that you can use and work with it in terms of interacting with those who are going to participate in your project and those who are going to support you with your project. With experience, this is when you're going to strategize and manage the activities and actions you'll take to deliver and determine the effectiveness of your legacy project. So here there are 12 organization requirements, and you need to get them working in such a way is that you're going to maximize the experience, not minimize the experience, but maximize the experience. So if you're doing things correctly, it will unfold in a way that people appreciate and will participate and contribute to your legacy project. Now, what becomes interesting here is that while moving into evidence education experience and them chasing each other, moving in, you're going to clarify, contribute, and communicate from understanding and valuing aging confidently and the felt safety aspects of safe systems and safer practices. These would be the requirements that are necessary to go into these three E's. Moving forward, as you are actually then implementing your project, you are going to communicate, collaborate, and co-create with the wealth, the well-being, well-living requirements, and the movement, that profitability, sustainability requirements. That's how you're moving out of the three E's. When you bring all of this together, it is a catalyst accelerator for you to identify what it is that you want to contribute in being for the world with the planet. To work with us, the fastest way is to connect through wealthmovement.com/contact. That's where you can send a message, an email will arrive, and I can answer it. Additionally, wherever you're seeing this clip, this video, you can use the comments section and I will get a message that way as well. But the wealthmovement.com/contact, that is the fastest way to get to me.